So rows has to be the in favor one.
Hey, what
So
number you guys want?
that'd be like V1. And
We're just going over the preparation, Mackenzie. I'm an idiot and can't figure it out.
Oh, I'm sure you're not an idiot, but
Pretty sure I am. So, Joel, you said you put bars 1 in rows?
so yeah, so the first like column goes in rows. Basically, the in favor and the against goes in rows,
Yeah.
and then the Republicans and Democrats goes in the columns, and then the numbers goes in the last one.
Oh, that was part of my problem right there. Okay, and then you use statistics,
And-
chi-square.
Yeah, and then cells observed and expected.
Cells, observed and expected. And that's it, right?
Well, it says display if you want clustered bar charts. That's what it said in the video.
Yeah, I couldn't find that. Where is that?
Just
Is
at
that-
the bottom. Like
Oh,
right
it's there. That's why. I think my brain just didn't work today. Right. So, then you're getting, so for chi-squared, whoa, what is all this crap? I'm getting 33.957.
Yep.
Okay. And then the differential, or the df's 1.
Yep.
And the p-value is 0.
Yep.
All right. That's what I needed.
Makes sense now?
I guess, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Thanks for helping me. I appreciate it.
Yep. Okay. Do you have any questions, Mackenzie?
no, I think I'm good actually.
Okay, cool. Are we ready to start then?
Is Darby not coming?
I don't know. She said she was, and then I don't know. I haven't heard from her.
Okay. Well, I'm ready to start if you guys are.
Let's do it.
Who's rocking out?
Sorry, my phone. I got a phone call.
What was that song, Joe?
Called what's it called? Picasso, something Picasso by Bulletproof Picasso by by Train.
Oh,
Huh. I've never heard that one.
Good song.
me neither.
Okay, so number 3. So it says okay, so gender of voting purposes are independent, gender of voting purposes are not independent. So it's the first one.
Yes.
Mhm.
So then, what equation of computing degrees of freedom? It's the number of rows minus 1 times the number of columns minus 1, so the last one.
They're both -1.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep, that sounds right. It says, what is the correct choice for degrees of freedom for this problem? Choice? What does that mean?
So it wants us to figure out GF, but I don't know.
Oh, it's just 3 times 2, so is it 6?
That's what I'm thinking.
3 times. Yeah, I guess.
Do you count like the one that says column total?
Oh.
Does that make sense what I'm asking?
Yeah, that's a good question. I don't know. Maybe not. So then maybe it's 2 times 1, which is 2. What? Are we actually going to have to do the math? Because if we are, we can just check it.
I don't know.
I don't think so.
Number 7, it wants to know what's chi-squared, so we're going to have to do it anyway.
Okay, so might as well just check the DF and the SPSS.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Jill, you're probably going to have to help me again here. 'Cause do we use the totals?
That's what I'm not sure on.
Or do we use the, and then just have it, and then just weight them again like we did with the other one?
On it.
We just do like the first column, male, female, male, female, male. The second column, we do.
You have to do, okay, so the first column you had to have female 3 times to match up with Republican, Democrat, and Independent.
Oh, right.
And then you go male 3 times after the 3 females.
Okay.
I don't know if we need the total. I don't think so. But I'll check.
Well, that's what we used in the other one you were showing me.
Did we use the total on that?
Those were totals. We weren't given the. Oh, no, you're right. I guess we were given the.
Yeah, I don't believe we used the totals.
I don't think so.
So we don't use the column totals or the row totals, right?
Yeah. We don't.
So in my second column, I have Republican, Democrat, Independent, Republican, Democrat, Independent.
Yeah.
And then the third column, I have 250, 350, 200, 150, 50.
200, 250, 350, 200, 150, 50.
Okay. Then Got an answer?
I'm good. I'm done.
16.204.
16.204, yep.
Okay.
What'd you get for, did you get 2 for the degrees of freedom?
I did, yeah.
And then for number 6, I said yes, there are at least 5 expected counts in each cell.
I was going to ask you about this, because that was the other thing from the homework I didn't understand. I didn't understand how they got those numbers.
Yeah, I don't know, to be honest.
You know,
No.
the only thing I could come up with was to add 2 and subtract 2,
Right.
but I don't really understand that very well at all.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Did you understand that about the requirements for doing this test? So,
Okay. So then 9, what did you get?
well, 8 you got
0.000.
right. So then the p-value is 0, and there's not going to be enough evidence, right,
Yeah, there's not enough evidence, yeah.
to suggest that they are
Not independent.
not independent, because we're rejecting the null, basically.
Yeah.
Mackenzie, are you with us? Do you want us to wait?
I'm just really behind. It's okay.
It's okay, we can wait.
It's okay. Okay, wait. I'm still on. Hold on. Let me move around. What did you guys put for number 5?
5, we came up with 2.
Okay.
At least that's what PSS says.
Okay. And then for number 6, did you put the first one?
No. We put the second to last one, right, Joel? There are at least 5 expected counts in each cell.
The expected, yeah.
Okay, yeah, sorry. Okay.
Mackenzie, do you understand? Because neither Joel nor I understand how the requirements thing works.
I don't know. Each expected count must. Well, hold on. Because underneath, I don't know, because underneath the chi-square test, it says 0 cells have expected count less than 5. Wait, what the heck? I don't know. I don't know. Don't ask.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
What did you get for the chi-square?
16.204.
Awesome.
Is that what you got?
Yep. And the p-value?
Hold on. 0?
Yep.
Okay. Wait, did you guys do number 9 already?
Yeah, we decided on there is not enough evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are not independent. I'm pulling up the chiropractor thing right now.
Okay.
Have you already ran it?
Yeah.
So with this one, it's already set up, right? Do we still need to weight it first?
Yes.
Okay.
I did at least.
No, you're the know-all on this particular lesson, Joel.
Yeah. Hopefully I'm doing it right.
So does the first column always go in rows?
Well, okay, so this time it's like backwards. So like the second column goes in rows. Because you have to look at the table and how the table's set up. Which one's the rows and which one's the columns.
Okay,
That makes sense?
kind of.
Oh wait, I'm still confused on number 9. Why is it there is not enough evidence?
Because the p-value is less than the level of significance.
But I thought if it's normally that, then you put there is sufficient evidence.
Yeah, isn't she right, actually, Joel?
Wait, hang on, she might be right.
I think we did that backwards.
Because it's lower than the p-value, so you're rejecting the null hypothesis. So it'd just be there is sufficient evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are not independent.
They are dependent.
He's right. So sufficient evidence that they're not independent.
So the top one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you were right. Thanks, Mackenzie.
Mackenzie.
Yeah.
Okay. So then, back to what you were saying, Joel. So I know that location's first because it's the row.
This is the rows, yeah, in the
I don't
table.
know how to interpret that. Help me.
So, like, you know it goes first because, like, if you look at the table, like, the countries, the location is the rows in the table.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
And then you know that, like, the wellness, the preventative, the at-risk and stuff are the columns. So those go in the columns when you go to set up the crosstab.
Okay.
So are you saying that number 10 is true? Right?
Yes.
That's true. Okay, so analyze descriptive statistics, crosstab. So location is rows, columns is reason,
Yep.
count is the last one. All right, so I am getting. Whoa, what is this crap? I'm getting D of F is 1.
We'll scroll down a little bit more because I think you have to use the total.
Wait, what the heck? Do you just have to open up the data?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you just have to like move them around, or do you just leave it?
You just leave it.
What the heck?
You leave it and weight it.
Okay.
Oh, does 8 sound better now?
Yeah.
Okay. Chi-squared, I'm getting 7.43.
Yeah.
for the p-value, I'm getting 0.490.
Yeah.
Wait a second. Wait a second. Our p-value was 0. Oh, no. Don't listen to me. This is not my day for math. I should just stop while I'm ahead.
It's okay. It's a Thursday.
I bombed the quiz from last homework this morning. I got like a 78 on it.
Yeah, I didn't do very well either.
I felt
Yeah,
confident, and then I just obviously did not do well.
stupid. There's just so many parentheses that you have to do for the confidence interval or whatever.
Yeah.
So then for 14, Joel, did you say there's not enough evidence to suggest?
I said there's insufficient. But I could do it.
The third one?
Yeah.
Are you there yet, Mackenzie?
Hold on. I'm still on number 11. I'm sorry.
You're fine.
Did you get 8?
Yeah.
Okay.
What'd you get for chi-squared?
7.436.
Yep.
And p-value?
8, 4. The p-value I got 0.490.
Yep. So then, we got there's insufficient evidence to suggest that the motivation to visit a chiropractor is not independent of the location. That's
no.
third.
Wait.
Give me 1 second.
Joel, have you got a hot date?
No, I have to go move my laundry.
That's almost the same.
Yeah. Okay.
What did you guys put for 14?
There's insufficient evidence, the third one.
Oh, yeah.
I'm ready to submit whenever you guys are.
Yeah, I'm ready.
I submitted mine.
Hey, that's why you were smiling that whole time.
Yeah.
Yay! That's good to see.
That's a lot more comforting than my 78 from this morning.
Yeah. Me too.
Except for now, we'll do the homework and we'll get screwed. But
Yep. So, really quick for like the project thing. So we got a 90 on the design study part because I don't know why.
it's because of the population.
Yeah, because of population. Did she like email you guys, or did you guys get that or whatnot?
I saw. I mean, it was in my graded work, so I was.
So we only have to do 2 bags. So just like if each of us buy 2, then you count how many are in the bag, and then like count the colors, if that makes sense.
So I just need to buy 2.
Yeah.
And then count
Just
how
like
many.
A normal bag of M&Ms?
Count how many's in like one. Yeah, just like the little bags. So count how many is in one bag, and then separate them into colors and count them. Then count how many are in the other bag. Then separate the colors. So like do it per bag.
Okay.
Not in
And it's just like the little ones? Like,
Yeah.
Okay.
Like the dollar ones.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds like a fun.
Sounds
When is
good.
that due? When do we need to have that done?
We have to have the data collected by next Saturday, so we can talk about it more on Tuesday.
Okay. Cool.
But next Saturday.
I'll get it done before then, so.
Sounds good.
So Tuesday at 7:45?
Yep, sounds good.
7:45? Yeah. Wait, morning or night?
Night.
Okay. Ooh. Okay. Sounds good. I'll see you guys then.
See ya.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye.